Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rob, and this is Big Papa Fishing. Alright, so this is a new boat update, okay? So I've finally gotten the inside of the boat totally degreased, pressure washed out, all the dirt and grime and whatever was in it before is gone. I'm going to let you take a look. Okay, so that's it. So now I'm going to flip this baby over and pressure wash the bottom of it. And there is some caked up dirt and mud on the bottom of it. Let's see if you can see some. And of course that all has to go away before paint. So, yeah. After I get the bottom pressure washed, I will let y'all know. Alright everybody, finally got the boat off the trailer. I was able to get the trailer a little cleaned up. I am not going to paint it, I don't think, but I may change my mind. Alright, so pretty, I don't know, dirty for sure, and I know there is a leak in this boat. Look right here, somebody put some duct tape on it and try to be sneaky, but when I filled the boat up, I found the leak. There's a split right there. I am going to have to get that bonded. That is not good. Not good. Look at that. Doesn't leak. I'll fill the boat up. Well, apparently you didn't fill it up high enough. That's gonna need a straight up weld. So I'm gonna get with my aluminum welder friend and see if he can't get this taken care of. That is no bueno. No bueno. Alright, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this boat cleaned up, get a hold of my welder, and see if we can't get this patched up pretty quick. Alright. Y'all, that's that episode of Pimp My John Boat, excuse me. If you would, please like, subscribe, follow, share, all that stuff. If you like this content, hopefully we'll get this boat done pretty soon and we can get out on the water and do some fishing. But anyway, okay. Thank you all for watching. Remember, thank for all the blessings you have in your life.